already worried. I'm taking hard ways, and they're in the background. Nothing to fall for, no one to put down. Asking how am I waiting? Why am I waiting for everything to be okay? Asking how am I waiting? Procrastinating, though everything will be okay. Well, nothing's ever okay here. You're too. I've got it all collecting, talking to a pretense. Are you really my friend? Sew it all together and make a voodoo girl. And are you really my friend? Are you really you made? And you body, and you body, react to somebody. And you body, tear up your body, tear it all up for somebody, recycle somebody. You want to? I've got it all collecting, talking to pretense, desperate for the moment. You want to live the wrong direction? Which one is right again? Like something good. Screaming now it's gone too far. On the side.